everyone, welcome back to X-Rays. Here we spotlight innovators and emerging trends that are transforming industries, empowering you with the insights and tools to thrive in today's fast-paced world. I'm your host, Leah, and today we're thrilled to introduce a visionary leader in cybersecurity innovation and digital protection. His focus lies in transforming everyday online interactions into opportunities for enhanced security, making cybersecurity more accessible, intuitive, and inclusive for businesses of all sizes. Let's welcome the CEO of Kralos, Carsten Klein. Hi, Carsten. How are you today?
Hi, Leah. I'm fine today. I hope you too.
I'm very well, thanks. And thank you so much for joining us. I've been looking forward to talking with you today, and I'm really excited to hear more about your cybersecurity company. So, can you start by giving us an overview of your service at Kralos and its key features and benefits?
Yeah, sure, I can. We have three other products that fall into the cybersecurity area. Comfortress, which is also patented like WEBOUNCER, Shadowkey, which is an encrypted offline online communication tool, and our web surface scanner, which scans web applications for public accessible attack vectors. WebBouncer is currently our main product. It's an innovative cybersecurity product designed to protect web-based applications from any type of cyber attacks, from known threats such as SQL injection and cross-site scripting as well as unknown attacks or what is called zero-day attacks. WebBouncer can benefit companies of all sizes who want to secure their online presence without having to juggle complex hardware or constant updates.
That's impressive. It's clear that Kralos is taking a comprehensive approach to cybersecurity, and Web Bouncer, alongside with your other products, really does seem to offer a well-rounded and proactive solution for businesses of all sizes. Now, what inspired you to create this service? Were there any specific problems or any challenges in your industry that you aim to address?
Yeah, when we came up with the idea of WebONs, there wasn't really anything to protect web-based applications. The web applications firewalls was on the market, but this is just a filter, not a real protection. With WAP, the data is still kept accessible on the internet, and anyone who knows about WAPs knows that they can be bypassed easily. So we want to create a solution that could not be bypassed and protected the data of this web application securely from attacks and data breaches.
Mm, that makes a lot of sense. The cybersecurity landscape has evolved so much, and traditional solutions like those are often reactive rather than truly protective. So, your approach to making web applications fundamentally more secure from the start is a refreshing take on the problem for sure. Now, innovation is also crucial in the tech industry. So, could you share some examples of how the service is innovative or different from existing solutions in the market?
Most security solutions, like traditional web application firewalls, focus on filtering traffic at the edge, reacting to threats as they come. We took a bolder approach with our digital twin concept. Web Bouncer spins up a data-free public-facing shell of your web application, a perfect replica in accretions but hollow inside. The real app, with all its sensitive data, lives in a fortified data center completely isolated. Attackers do not just get blocked, they get tricked. They are swinging at the ghost that responds with fake 200 status code, wasting their time while the real system stays untouched. Unlike conventional ones that play defense, we shrink the attack surface to near zero by design. The tech world loves complexity, endless dashboards, DNS rerouting, and tweakable nodes. We went the opposite way. Web Bouncer integrate into your infrastructure with minimal boost, no DNS redirects, no external server dependencies, just plug and play protection.
Mm. That's really fascinating. The focus on ease of use without compromising on security is something businesses will surely appreciate. And it's clear that it's not just another security tool, but also a completely new way of thinking about web protection. Now, many startups face obstacles when bringing their services to market. So, could you describe some of the challenges Kralos encountered and how you overcame them?
Yeah, we have been trying to speak to established companies such as Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, Cisco, Microsoft, Google, Cloudflare, Pega, and other for some time now. But as a small German startup, you're either loved at or not seen. At the greater web bouncer, I would say breaking into the cybersecurity market as a startup is tough. You're up against entrance giants with massive resources and trust, plus a crowded field where different nations demand not just innovation, but also providing reliability under real-world attacks. Fast. It's a step plan, but nailing a unique angel like our digital twin tech can carve out a foothold if you move quick and deliver results. Based on your analysis from WebBouncer, we see that the companies visit our website and sometimes they test it with penetration attacks. It's just that the testers don't seem to understand due to the security feature of giving false positive answers. Otherwise, we would have had personal conversation long ago. The most important thing is not to give up and to keep trying to get in touch. So we invite everyone with any question to pick up the phone or send us an email, and we will sit down and explain to you exactly how our system has added value for you and how it works to make your web application impenetrable.
That's definitely a tough road that you just described, but your perseverance and confidence in your technology are truly inspiring. And breaking into an industry dominated by major players is no small feat, and it's clear that you're bringing innovation to the table. So, for our final question, let's look ahead. What are Kralos's plans for the future? Can you share any exciting developments or upcoming projects with us?
Yeah, very amazing. We looked around and tried to understand where the biggest threats currently are. And one topic stuck out, phishing in any form, whatever, email, WhatsApp, short messages, or in documents. Currently, there are only solutions on the market that have the approach of checking emails and labeling them as spam or junk and sorting them out. Here's the same problem as with the web application firewall systems. Filters are set, which often also have false positive markings. Recently, German Telekom has also introduced something similar for short messages. This will have the same effect as the current system. Either nothing arrives anymore, or it's recognized incorrectly, or whatever. We have developed a completely new approach and have created a solution that we have recently submitted to the patent office. But I can tell you this much, our solution changes everything that exists in the area of phishing. We have developed a system that covers all areas, email, short messages, messenger, etc. Whenever smartphones, laptop, tablet, PC, or other internet-enabled device. But I can already hear the voices saying, I don't think that's possible. Why should we invent this? And why not the big five do this? Hey, but here the same. Pick up the phone, call us, and we will explain how our system will work.
Well, that sounds like an exciting development. Phishing is such a widespread issue, and it's great to hear that Kralos is working on a completely new approach. And it's understandable that people might doubt a startup's ability to outmaneuver the big players, but from everything you've shared today, it's clear that Kralos thrives on proving the impossible is possible. So I can't wait to see what's next for you and your team. So if
Yeah,
you're
I'm too. So, and I will let you know, and then we can make another interview.
Yeah, of course. We'd be so happy to have you again. And if you're interested in a groundbreaking platform that combines innovative cybersecurity solutions, cutting-edge technology, and a proactive approach to digital protection, you should certainly explore Kralos. Carsten, thank you so much for joining us today and talking to us about your business. It's been really interesting, and I very much enjoyed speaking with you.
Thank you, Leah. I hope you have a nice day and talk to you soon.
Thanks, and you. And finally, thank you to our audience for tuning in to another episode of X Raised, your go to source for all things business, innovation, and strategy.